So today is January the 12th, 2013. If you listen closely, you can hear rumbling in the skies. It's a beautiful evening. Them are obviously gunshots, but what I'm really wanting you to focus on is hopefully my phone will pick it up. The rumbling in the sky, and in Revelations it plainly talks about the trumpet sounds of the second coming of Christ. And as I've asked before, those of you that don't believe in Christ, I pray for you, so please no negative comments. There's no trains around, so hopefully, like I said, my phone will pick this up. My name is Tasha Golson, and I will be posting several videos of the weather, some of my family, but mainly weather photos. It almost sounds like thunder, but there's no thunder, no storms going on, so and as I said, hopefully this phone will pick up that noise, because I'm still hearing it playing, and I hope that, like I said, this phone is picking it up as well. And as I said, there's been several things going on as far as people hearing trumpet sounds all over the world in the past couple years. So hopefully this phone has picked up the noise. If not, I will continue to try to enhance this to where you can hear it. But it should be picking the noise up. I live out in the country, so there's hardly any noises that goes on except for gunshots and things like that, obviously, but that one was a pretty loud one that I just heard, and hopefully this phone picked that one up. If you hear a child in the background, that's my little girl, but try to focus, like I said, on the thundering noise, rumbling noise, or whatever you want to call it in the sky. Okay, I'm going to end this now, and hopefully I will get better enhancement on the noises, so maybe you can hear it better if you can't hear it on this one. And as I asked, please subscribe to my videos, send me feedback, and please, as I've said before, no negative comments. And thank you for watching this video. As I said, I will be posting more. And have a blessed evening.